Hey guys, welcome to Gram Dominator. I'm going to show you a very cool software that I have personally used to get 50,000 followers. In fact, 52,311 followers in the past 20 days. And this is the part of journey that I have been doing online. Here you can follow the journey at 100k Instagram followers challenge.com. And I'm going to show you this unique software which I'm using, which will basically help you to completely automate your regular daily Instagram tasks and make your life much easier if you're an Instagram marketer. And a lot of big name tools in the Instagram industry or in the media industry use this software. You can see the client list from here. A lot of big name agencies are using this software today to automate their Instagram for the clients and help them get more followers. So let's see some cool features that this software has. So it basically helps you to grow your followers using this Grow Followers module, which has the sub module of automation of followers, where you can get where you can basically do auto follows using these filters and these settings. You can auto follow by keyword, by hashtag. You can follow the followers of some users, or you can follow the followings of a user. Like if a user is following a particular set of users, you can follow them. You can also follow by custom user list. You can also follow by a couple of like engaged users in a particular niche, or you can also follow by location. And you have these cool filters through which you can limit your daily activity so that you look like an actual human activity on the software. Then you also have an automated unfollower module through which you can automate your unfollow process on Instagram. You have these settings as well as these filters that you can use. The next cool feature we have is called Insta Poster. So it basically helps you to automate posts on Instagram, and you can also repost by downloading certain posts, and these are the settings and these are the filters. You can also delete automate the deletions of your posts. Then we have Insta Liker, which helps you to automate likes on Instagram. So basically you can automate the likes by post, by keywords, by hashtags on posts, by followers on followings. A lot of stuff you can automate. This is another cool feature that I use every day. If you want to scrape users, scrape Instagram users, if you want to scrape particular followers, scrape followers of your competition, you can do that. You can scrape images, or you can scrape like user comments from Instagram. So a lot of cool automation over here as well. Then this is another cool feature for sending direct messages, or basically automating your DMs on Instagram. This is where you get to look at all the campaigns that you are running, and this is some basic settings for blacklisting and whitelisting users. So if you basically want to leave apart some users whom you don't want to bother with, you can add them to this blacklist, and the software will not touch them at all. Thanks for seeing the video, and I hope you liked it. We update this video almost every week. You can watch the changelog here. It's pretty updated, not like other softwares in the market. It's pretty updated regularly, pretty much updated with new features every week. So you can see we have updated it 4 times in July and two times in August so far. And also the software has a pretty cool user group of more than 2,700 members, almost about to reach 2,800 members, where the members come and discuss about the software if they're facing any problems. So we have built a good, cool community which helps each other. The community people help each other if they're facing any problems as well with the software. And it would be great if you want to use the software, join the community, become a user, and help us grow your Instagram. Yeah, that's all. Good luck to your Instagram success.